The main thing I'm going to be doing today is just exploring the forest and looking for photos of like the greenery, the trees, just the paths, just in general, honestly, everything. Today I'm using the Sony a7 IV with the Tamron 28-17 lens. I do shoot a lot of portrait because I do upload a lot to Instagram. Actually, this looks really nice. Oh, actually, down here is really nice. So let's try to get through these bars. No, that's not it. That's definitely not it. Oh, the sun's coming out. Actually, let's get down here a little bit. Let's get these leaves. Yo, I just saw a kangaroo. I either just saw a kangaroo or I saw, God, what are those little ones called? It was a wallaby. That's what it, God, I'm an idiot. Why do I keep forgetting the name wallaby? It's so cool. Sounds funny. Well, there's a nice little flower in here, though. Let's go in here. Some cool flowers. Right here. Let's actually get this nice little flower right here. Oh, this is a nice little shot here. Oh, this is very beautiful. Where's this little guy at? I don't want to go too far in because I don't actually run into him and punch me or something, so... Well, they don't punch, they kick. Up ahead, I know there's like a little area that has like totem poles with koalas on them. I'm hoping if I go towards that area more, I might be able to see him. Actually, I like the shots that are more up as well. How does that look? Oh, wow. I like that. Oh, he's not gone. I don't think I'll be able to get a photo of this guy. He is so far in there, but let me... Oh, this is gonna be... I'm just gonna literally drop everything. Can I get you from here? No, I can't. You are in there somewhere. So you can't really see what I'm shooting. Actually, there's a couple spider webs around here. Absolutely wild. Can you see this on here? Oh, there it is. Did I get that? I want to try to get that spider. Perfect. Did I get him? Oh, he's creepy. The greenery over this way is like the type of stuff that I like to shoot, especially when it just rained. It's like dark and moody outside. This type of stuff, like these ferns, absolute favorite. I'm probably gonna try to get a few shots of this stuff a little bit lower. Let's get some top down ones. How does those ones look? Oh, that one is gorgeous. Actually, this is my favorite area. I honestly just like to come in here and just look out to the water, just see what's going on. How do I get some like cool shots of this bridge, honestly? These are pretty cool. Like, yeah, that one's not too bad. Actually, I think I got a decent amount of shots already. Got some ones of the spider webs. I might have got some of a wallaby. I'm not 100% sure yet. Probably have to do a lot of cropping to even see the wallaby in the photo. But let's keep on trekking through the forest and maybe we'll come along some more cool flowers. One of the reasons I like coming here is because of the birds. They're so loud, they're always chirping, they sound just so joyful. And it's just a nice place to go for a walk, if you like birds, that is. Let's get a cool picture of these logs, actually. Now that we're here. How does that look? That doesn't look terrible. Might be able to get like a cool top-down shot, though, of it. Oh, nope, yep, that looks a lot nicer than I thought it was going to. Wow, that is such a beautiful shot. Just look how much greenery there is here. It is wild how green this whole place is. Wow. Absolutely breathtaking. The last time I was here, I ended up seeing some like mushrooms and some cool flowers, so that would be some pretty cool stuff to capture and get some photo of. Actually, are these ferns all wet? I think some of them might be. Oh, sorry, it says battery exhausted. Let me just run over here to the bench and switch my battery out. I did come out here without charging this specific battery that was in my camera already. And we're good to go. Okay, let's backtrack a little bit. I do want to get some shots of these ferns again. This is a nice little area. Oh, would help if my camera was turned back on. Yeah, that's nice. Sun's getting a little bright. Jesus. Looking straight into that sun. Well, okay, well, that's a little weird to say because I'm definitely not looking straight into it. But some of the sun glares coming through the trees are just absolutely blinding. Actually, let's try to capture a few just of the ferns on their own. Actually, let's get some cool ones like right here. Actually, let's get this leaf. This one's cool because it has lots of shade. This one's actually a really cool shot here because it has lots of shadows and stuff. So it's pretty wild. Oh, that one wasn't a focus shot. That was weird. That's pretty cool. The colors in that one are very vibrant green too. Actually, let's take a picture of this building here. Oh, that's a little dark. Actually, you know what? Let's keep it dark. Actually, let's get a weird shot. Sorry, you might not be able to see this shot, but I want to get a shot of the corner of the building. Cool. I wanted to say thank you to you guys just for watching this whole video all the way through. I'd be curious if you guys are actually interested in this style of video. Just watching me going out, getting some photos of some nature. I could potentially bring this around to other type of photo shoots. I could bring this when I'm shooting Airbnbs, shooting for brands, shooting for whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching this full video all the way through. I truly appreciate that. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. The next few videos coming up should be pretty cool because we should be posting quite a bit of content while we're in Tasmania. We actually leave in 2 days, so we should have lots of content by next week.